Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make kefir from milk. It's a simple and rewarding process that brings a probiotic-rich drink right to your kitchen. To begin, you'll need about 1 to 2 teaspoons of active milk kefir grains. Place these grains into a clean glass jar, then add 1 to 2 cups of fresh, whole milk. Cover your jar with a breathable cloth, like a coffee filter or cheesecloth, and secure it with a rubber band. This allows air. Now let the magic happen. Place your covered jar at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, away from direct sunlight. The fermentation typically takes between 18 and 24 hours. You'll know it's ready when the milk has visibly thickened and smells pleasantly tangy, similar to yogurt. If it separates into curds and whey, don't worry. That just means it's done, or perhaps slightly over-fermented. Under the hood, both the 6 Series and 8 Series deliver exhilarating performance with a choice of robust inline-6 and potent V8 engines. However, the 8 Series typically boasts more power in its standard configurations, leading to faster 0 to 60 miles per hour times. It also often incorporates advanced driving technologies, such as 4-wheel steering, for a more agile and dynamic feel. The 6 Series, while powerful, leans slightly more towards a comfortable, yet capable grand touring experience. Congratulations, you've made fresh milk kefir. Transfer your finished kefir to a clean, airtight container and store it in the refrigerator, where it will keep for up to 3 weeks. Your strained kefir grains are now ready for their next batch. Simply place them into fresh milk to continue the cycle. You can enjoy your plain kefir or get creative by adding fruits, honey, or spices for a delicious, personalized probiotic drink.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.